myself, Kanto. Today we are going to talk about simple linear equation, and we are going to solve these three problems. So 2x plus 5 equals to 11, right? So this 2 is like term, right? So 2x equals to 11. This is positive, so move it to the other side, it will become negative, right? So 2x equals to 11 minus 5 equals to 6, right? So 2x, 2 multiplication, right? 2 multiply x equals to 6. So x, since it's multiplication, move this will come down under 6 when you move this 2 to the other side. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So the value of x equals to 3. And next one is z divided by 3 minus 8 equals to 10. Now z upon 3, this 2 is like term, right? So move it to the other side. This is negative, so 10, when you move this 8 to the other side, since this is negative, this will become positive. Okay, so z upon 3 equals to 10 plus 8 equals to 18, right? Now again, z divided by 3, this is the division, right? So we are going to move this to the other side. Okay, this is the left side, this is right side, so we are going to move this 3 to the right side. So what will happen? This 3 is denominator, so this will become, when this moves to the other side, this will become numerator. So 18 into 3, multiply. Okay, so z equals to 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 54. Okay, therefore the value of z equals to 54. And next one is 2 plus 5x upon 3 equals to x plus 6. So 5x upon 3 equals to x. This 2 is like term and this 2 is like term, right? So move it to the other side, keep it here. 5x upon 3, bring it here because 5x and x is like term, right? So this is a positive number, positive variable. So when you bring this to the left side, it will become negative. Keep in mind, x plus 6, right? This is again positive 2. When you move this to the right side, it will become negative. Okay, so we are going to simplify this. So the LCM is 3, 1 into 3 into 3, right? So 5x minus 3x are 3x, 3x upon 3 equals to 6 minus 2 equals to 4. So 5x minus 3x equals to 2x, right? Upon 3 equals to 4. So 2x, we are going to move this denominator to the other side. So 2x equals to 4. This is the denominator. When you move to the other side, it will become numerator 3, right? So 2x equals to 4 3s are 12, right? Now again 2x, we are going to find the value of x, right? So again we need to remove 2. So when we remove this 2, where this will go? X equals to, this is multiplication, this is the numerator now on the left side. When we move this 2 on the other side, it will become denominator upon 2. Okay, so this will come down. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. So the value of x equals to 6. Thank you.